Meet up with Dakota's little brother. What's up, Bill? Your brother told me not to let you ride at schools.
Really?
Yeah, he says no more schools. If he gets hurt, his dad's gonna kill me. Might have forgot the boots. Look at this guy wiping my bike off for me. Hasn't even unloaded his bike yet. Oh. Ooh. Missing a couple. Oh. Oh, that's icy. Either crashed or killed him. Those are his tracks. Maverick! Oh!
The bike jumped over the top and landed like a rodeo down there.
This. Up this steep thing. And slides from there into that. Gas, gas. I just fashioned a tripod out of this, so at least now I can help the kid.
Wait. I want to check.
Jesus, haven't you ever heard a look before you leave? I came back to my truck, but look at this kid. His bike's literally stuck on the other side of that embankment. Kook. I got the rope. Wait a sec, hang on. You gonna make it through there?
I think I am.
Yeah, there's no really brilliant way around this. Unless you can get it to here, but man, oh man.
No, we got a ways. Whoa.
Okay, you're good. I got you. Is we tie this rope off to somewhere on the rear section of your bike.
Swing arm.
Yeah. And you keep it upright with your front brake on, and I put it around this tree to stop it from sliding all the way down fast. Let's do that. On three. 1, 2, 3. Good job. Tell you what, if I wasn't also vlogging, this would be a lot easier. Oh, hold it uphill, pull it towards you. Suck that hog towards you. Oh, you're so close, buddy. All right. Woo, pull that rope down. Did you have a dent on that side?
Yeah, I mean, on one side. Oh no!
Did not make it, Bill. Woo, doggy!
Where did Benja run?
I know. Should we take the old fire road home, Bill?
Probably.
After you've ruined your bike enough? Making a hell of an exit. He gone. Oh, there's a dog. What's up, hound? It's not your shit, dude. Alright.